Modular storage systems are advanced energy solutions that can be connected in parallel to increase capacity to power appliances that require greater power capacities or voltages to operate. CNBM's HP10 series is a 48-volt storage device with a flexible and modular design for residential power storage. Each battery unit provides a usable power capacity of 5.12 kilowatt hours, which can be expanded further by wiring up to 4 individual units in parallel to achieve a usable energy capacity of 20.48 kilowatt hours. Also, up to 3 such upscaled systems can be connected in parallel to achieve even higher power capacities of up to 60 kilowatt hours. The stacked design takes up less storage space, while the plug and play connection feature with no external wiring ensures quick and easy installation. Ease of repair is another benefit of employing our modular storage system. In case one of the units fail, it can be easily replaced instead of scrapping the entire battery system and without affecting the project operation. Our battery employs environmentally friendly lithium iron phosphate technology, which is built with easy to recycle and non-toxic materials, thus well suited for customers looking for greener solutions. Added benefits such as no maintenance, lesser weight, improved discharge and charge efficiency make it ideal for use in demanding solar storage applications. The smart integrated battery management system enables efficient maintenance and operation by allowing real-time monitoring of the operational parameters. Also, better heat dissipation characteristics guarantee a long lifespan of 10 years and a high level of safety. A 5-year product warranty and wider operating temperature range of -20 to +50 degrees Celsius facilitate optimal product performance in all conditions. CNBM is a leading high-tech enterprise that is committed to developing and providing clean, renewable energy solutions to the world to minimize energy shortage and human impact on the environment.